Why do you keep eating the same thing for breakfast every day when you can eat other nutrient-dense foods that will nourish your body? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for the love shown in the previous video. If you haven't seen it, I'll be sure to link it at the end of this video. Let's get into the business of today. Have you heard of fonio? It is also called ACHA. It is the tiniest grain in the millet family and it is produced in West Africa. Fonio is a crossbreed between quinoa and couscous. The brand I'm using is actually cultivated in Nigeria, and this cereal has been around for over 5,000 years. Funny how this has been with us and a lot of us living in Nigeria haven't even tried it. Fonio contains fiber, protein, and carbohydrates, and I'm going to show you how to make this for breakfast. First, you have to add a cup of water into a saucepan or a pot, and added a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg to give it some flavor, and then bring it to a boil. I'm going to be using a quarter cup of fonio for this recipe, and that's typically about a 7 for one person. Fonio is very easy to make. If you add too much fonio, just add more water, and if you add too much water, just add more fonio. It's very difficult to mess up. Once the fonio has soaked up the water, your fonio is ready. This is very easy to make for breakfast. So right now I'm going to blend my fonio after it had boiled. I really don't like eating the fonio like this because it has this gritty feeling and I don't like how it feels, so I prefer mine blended like a smoothie. So I'm going to be adding a cup of milk, and you can blend it like this, or you can add some bananas or strawberries, whatever you want to add, but the major thing to add is your milk and your fonio. I'm just going to give this a couple of pulses on my blender and I should be done. So this is the end product of my blended fonio. So I'm going to be finishing up my fonio with blueberries, strawberries, shredded coconuts, nuts and bananas. Drizzle with honey. This is completely optional, and this is our end product. Before I eat my fonio, I'm going to sprinkle it with some chia seeds. Some health benefits of fonio include: number 1, is gluten-free. It's a good source of protein. It doesn't contain sugar. It's high in iron and other nutrients like zinc, which is good for the immune system. Fonio contains a good source of vitamin B, and of all the grains, fonio has the highest calcium content. So tell me guys, why have you been sleeping on fonio? Try this and I promise you, it's amazing. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.